Hello to all young and old artists. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Chase the dog from Paw Patrol. We start at the top with the head and draw the upper part of the cap first. Here in this shape we draw the typical Paw Patrol logo with the dog's paw. Draw everything as best you can. If I am going too fast with the video, pause it until you have finished. Then you can continue with the video again. Now we draw a little paw here. Now we draw the lower part of the cap, namely the shield. And above the shield we draw a wide ribbon. Next we draw Chase's head. On the left-hand side, we draw a small curve from the cap to the height of the nose. Then we do the same on the right-hand side. We draw Chase's fur on the left and right. Then we draw a curved line in the middle. From this line we draw Chase's fur again, but this time up to the cap. When you are finished, you can continue with the big eyes. First we'll just make the shape again. And later we paint the inside of the eyes. Now we draw the nose. Then we draw a big smiling mouth. And we draw a few small dots between the nose and mouth. Next we draw the lower shape of the head with the cheeks and chin. Then we draw a very large left ear. We also draw a large right ear. Make sure that both ears are about the same size. As soon as you finish Chase's head, we'll move on to the body. We draw a very small neck and then a narrow collar. A pendant hangs from the collar. Draw a star on this pendant and draw a circle inside the star. Now we draw Chase's paws. We draw a large curved line on the left-hand side. Then we make a paw of the same size on the right-hand side. Then we draw the individual fingers in the paw. Now let's draw a really big bone. When you're finished with the bone, we'll write Chase's name on it. First we write the letter C. Second the letter H. Then comes the letter A. After the A comes the letter S. And finally we write the letter E. Now that the chase has been drawn, we can start coloring it. In the following video I show you how I colored my drawing. I started with the nose and painted it gray. Then I painted the face and the paws in yellow. Then I drew Chase's shoulders. Only then I colored the eyes in yellow and orange. I also colored the logo and the cap and the pendant in yellow. The ears were painted in a light beige and pink. I painted the fur on the head and ears in the color brown. I used black for the collar and nose. Then I painted the stripe at the top of the cap orange. I also painted over some parts of the face with orange. I did the same with the paws. I first colored the pendant and later the cap with a light blue paint. And I also painted Chase's jacket in light blue. Then I painted over the light blue color with a darker blue color. I repeated this step of painting darker and darker several times. I used a beige color for the bone. Above I used the color gray for the badge. And the color black for Chase's eyebrows. Finally I painted the name in blue. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I'll see you again in the next one. See you soon.